What do you have?
Nothing. Now let me go and get something. Which one do you want me to get? The pad thai or the burger?
I don't know. We're gonna have pad thai at Jasper's.
Well, we're going to have both. A pad thai. But Jasper's going to try one bite of my pad thai.
Only one?
Yeah.
She's not gonna like it?
Well, first she has to try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one is better, the pad thai or the burgers?
Both, because they're both good. I'm making every piece of my food good. Because I'm adding every good thing. Would you like steak?
Yes.
And pad thai and a burger?
Yes.
Alright, then you can have dinner, but I only have 2 stuff for you.
You only have 2 things for me?
Yeah, 2 other dishes. So I can't help you get steak. I can't get steak because, I can get steak. If I get steak, I'll have to not have the burger anymore.
Okay.
If I get steak out.
Okay.
So I'm not going to get the steak. No, let me get the burger.
Okay, sounds good.
Well, tell me which one. That's her burger.
The burger.
Alright, burger with potatoes?
Yes.
Alright, I'm down.
Okay.